Hi, my name is Brittany McCarty, and this is my underwater music box prototype. The box is open, so I can show you a little bit about the inside. So we have the Arduino and my sculpture, which is on top of the servo motor, which is also connected to the Arduino. And I'm going to plug that into my computer, and you may start hearing the servo motor move. You should start hearing the servo motor move. I do have a few glitches still, so with the processing and the sound. The code connected to the processing for some reason is having a few difficulties. Okay, so you'll start hearing the servo motor go. So this is doing this because as there is light on the light sensor, or the box is open, tell the servo motor to move from 0 to 180 degrees and back. So as I close the box, you will hear the servo motor stop after it's round. And this is because the code is telling the light sensor that when there is not enough light on the light sensor to make the servo motor stop. So now I will add the sound in. Like I said, I have been having a few difficulties with the sound and processing. So for some reason it is working better when the box starts to open. So I will do that and I will start the processing. So you hear the under the sea music when the box is open. So then it's saying the light sensor. That when there's enough light on the light sensor and the box is open to play the under the sea soundtrack. And then as we close the box, it should start playing the wave sound. So when there is not enough light on the light sensor, the wave sound will play. With the final model, I will not have to worry about whether the processing is having any technical difficulties or not. It will all be working perfectly. Okay, so now I will show you the Arduino. Unplug this first. Show you the Arduino and explain a little bit more about why it is doing what it is doing. So here we have the Arduino. It's a cord that plugs into the computer. Arduino. If you haven't seen one of these, it probably does look a little bit confusing. Okay, so we have the light sensor here. Very strange looking. All connected to the actual Arduino on the breadboard. And then we have these 3 wires here. These are connected to the servo motor. So you can just plug it in and unplug it and go. And then inside the box, all we have is the sculpture and a few decorations. So the sculpture just turns on the servo motor. Right, so with my final model, I will have this made out of wood, and I would like to do a magnetic sensor instead of the light sensor since I am having a few difficulties with that. But I think it'll turn out great. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll see me with my final model.